Before starting today's video, please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, that was hilarious. The intro is back now. I had to record it off the screen. It was kind of weird. So, that's going to be the intro of science videos for now on. Hello everyone, I am back today. Today I have cool things to share with you. I'm starting this cool, not lectures, but facts about electricity and some cool information about it, how some things work and things like that. So let's get started. In today's video, we are going to be, I am going to be talking about, the super simple stuff of electricity. How it has to be in a loop, and for example, if you want to power a motor, it needs to have this and the battery and other cool things like that. Here's the battery. So let me just quickly set it up. Okay guys, I've set everything up. I made a huge, oh, oops, I broke it. But it's fine. So I made a huge circuit because I couldn't find any kind of short wires. So it's kind of a bit large. So let me just quickly fix this. But yeah, it is kind of large. But here it is. Here's the main circuit. So this is basically how electricity works. Here is the battery. I only use this battery box because it has an on-off switch. Yeah, so basically all the electricity need to flow from one end of the battery into the motor and out of the motor and into the other end. So yeah, that's basically how it works, and it all needs to be connected. For example, if I quickly unclip this, then it will, why does that not work? It will not work. It's on, doesn't move, but when I touch it, it moves because the electricity can flow through. If it's not touching, it can't flow through. And you can also use other things which are called conductors. They conduct electricity. For example, metal wire. It conducts electricity. Let me give you a quick example of a conductor. Okay, I just got a keychain. This keychain ring is actually a conductor. The way you can tell that is, let me just quickly clip one side on. And if I touch this, the electricity, instead of going straight through the wire, it goes through this. And it keeps on flowing and flowing. So that starts the motor. And there's the opposite of insulators, of conductors, is insulators actually. For example, this is like rubber. Rubber cannot conduct electricity, so it turns into a insulator. Yeah. Let me just find the other end. Oh my. Oh yeah, I touched it. Okay. Yeah, the electricity cannot flow through the rubber. Let's get on to the next bit. So the next bit is we are going to see how to add two components. If you want two components, it still needs to be in a circle, but just a bit different. So here we have the output going from the battery, and then we have our other component that we want to plug in here. So here, as you can see, it's a loop. It goes from here into the motor, into the second motor. I haven't fully plugged things in yet. Goes into this motor, goes from here to this wire, into this wire, which would be plugged onto that, and then returns all the way around back here, back into the motor. Now let me just quickly plug a few things in there, and good. So now everything should be plugged in. Now, as soon as I touch this with the motor, both of the motors should start moving. This one's like wiggling a bit. But it does take up more electricity to power 2 motors than to power 1. So I guess 1.5 volts, which is how much the battery is enough to power these. Let me get a more stronger battery. Okay guys, I haven't gotten a stronger battery, I just got two 1.5 volts. So let's do some math. 1.5 plus 1.5 is 3. So let me just speedily hook this up. So let's hope 3 volts is enough. Okay, everything's plugged in. Now when I touch this, it does not. Okay, there might be a few bugs. Okay guys, that one doesn't seem to be working. The motor has a problem. I don't have any spare motors at the moment, but that is how you would do it. So that is basically super starting electricity in a nutshell. And since I've got this stronger 3-volt battery, this should make this motor go faster. Oh, yep, that's much faster than before. Yeah. So please remember to like and subscribe. I shall see you on the next one.